Hello and welcome to minor tax tutorial for calculation using the specific ID method, which includes FIFO, LIFO, and HIFO. That's first in, first out, last in, first out, and highest in, first out. Specific ID is only legal in the US and Japan. For all other countries, please check out the FIFO tutorial. With specific ID, you can see a new column under inventory for prices. This helps you determine which method is the best for you for each exit. Once ready, click Run SPID to see a list of all of your exits ordered by first out. Now you have two options. 1. Apply one method to all exits. 2. Run one by one to mix and match the methods. For the large exit amount, you may want to split them up to mix and match smaller amounts. You can split it as small as you like by entering a custom number. At any time, you can run all the remaining exits to finish the job. What's really unique about minor tax that is not available anywhere else is that you can reset the calculations and redo to compare which one saves you the most money. By fine-tuning the calculations that is tailored to each tax situation, you can save a lot of money. If you have any suggestions, please reach out. We will be adding a lot more coins. Visit minortax.com and subscribe today.